Unit, headed by the Troop Commander, John Manuel Mingoa, John Wendell Malyanta, S1, Nicole Aguado, S2, Carlos Padil, S3, Almeria Caricano, S4, Midget Dealer, Gabriela Mariano, Neil Sinister, Kyle Ashley Jackson, Company Commander, Laronino, Company Exxon, Noli Ventorio, First Battalion Boy, Arnie Laronino, Second Battalion Girls, Chelian Bongalonta, Principal, Maricel O. Adayo, MAPI Facilitator, Pedro Brigel, Majorit Coordinator, Ruben Borabien Jr., DLC Coordinator, Dave Michael De Luna. Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the reviewing stand from Provincia Ovias Kinalansan National High School, Minoro, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
Oh, bawal na kita. Sa kanina kaya? Sa kanina.